Hello everyone. So welcome to the January 2018 Happy Mail haul. For those that aren't familiar with these videos of mine, every month people send in cards to my P.O. box, and then after the month is up, I film everything that was sent to me to show off what you guys are making out there in the card making world. We do have themes, and I always post them in the description box below as well as on my blog. And always, I'm not a huge stickler on the themes. Like if a card shows up and it's like, oh, it doesn't match the theme, I'm not going to exclude it. Also, because I'm in Canada, sometimes things take longer to get here. Like this. This showed up from Patsy. I think I had shown your card had shown up way earlier, and you had mentioned something about a felt ornament. This is adorable. So this actually showed up well after Christmas, and the envelope was actually torn, but it was still in there. So yeah, isn't that a cute little thing ever? So much work, and adding all of these beads and sequins. I've said this before because many of you sent ornaments. Gifts are never necessary. But several ornaments last year, so I'm hoping someday I can have maybe a little mini tree or something in my office, and then I can like hang all these ornaments on it, or I'll get a little like ornament hanger or something just so I can show these off because they're just adorable. So much work, so thank you so much. I'm glad it arrived. So I've got that, and then this one from Sintang, this fun heart-shaped, scalloped heart-shaped card with these two little birds, little lovebirds. Isn't that cute? That's so cute. So that. And then we have this one from Brenda K. These fun rainbow of hearts and sequins. I love that you guys are finishing the insides of your cards. Even just simple. Like, it doesn't always have to be, you know, I used to go all out on the insides of my cards, but now it's more even just a sentiment, you know? But if you can add a little bit, why not? So that one's from Brenda. And then I have this one from Lise. Another fun heart theme. She even decorated the envelope. Really fun. Isn't that great? And there's like shimmer added to these die cuts and the card. There we go. So that one's from Lise. And then I have this one from Natalie R in Australia. And same thing, I really like how you did the envelope. Masking off the area for the address, and then all these fun hearts on it. Even on the back, love. And then we've got this gorgeous like red metallic. Birds are really a thing. I really like how they did the inside too. I like that. That's really cute. But yeah, birds. People are really into birds. I think they're cute. I just never think of them too often, but it makes such a cute card. So that one from Natalie. And then we've got a couple of cards here from Hope. Oh, that goes with the envelope. So we have this fun heart-themed one, and those, again, that are familiar. Hope does cross-stitching on her cards. Like actual cross-stitching on fabric. Always so well done. And then it's like fabric doily. That's really pretty. That's so cute. So I have that one. And then this gorgeous one. All these fun flowers. This is amazing, Hope. Always. All your cards are, but this is just same thing. Like, this is one that, you know, I will definitely have up on display because of course it's my name. I love it. So thank you so much. People also ask, and I've addressed this in many videos, what I do with all the cards I'm sent. Ones that are sent specifically to me, you know, filled out, etc. I rotate the display of them. I can't really put up a whole lot in here because I'm in a rental. I can't put things on the walls. But I keep them all, and down the road I have displays I want to put up on the walls, and I will like rotate them out. And the ones that are not, that are sent completely blank, unfilled out, I save those, and then I give them to people that could use them, like, you know, a bundle of cards. And then that way they get some use out of them, and other people get to enjoy them. So yeah, so pretty, so pretty. So that one. And then I have these ones from Lori R. She had sent a package ahead. Again, anyone can do this. Like with the themes or whatever. If you want to send ahead, it really, really helps to have them marked. So, you know, put a sticky note, write it on the envelope. You can put it all in one package. You don't have to mail them separately. Like, whatever helps you, I'm okay with. And I just appreciate things being marked so that I know offhand what to set aside. So I already have cards for next month's Happy Mail haul. Thank you all that do that. It just makes my life a little easier. If things are marked, you know, then I just know to set it aside and save it for that month, etc. So, like I said, this is from Brenda. And I really like how you did. Ooh, I read your letter already. I'm going to set it aside. I really like how you did this like ink blended background and then splatter, and it's just pretty. And of course, anything with glitter makes me happy. So it's really pretty. And you guys are even taking the extra mile doing the envelopes. I don't do the envelopes as often as I should, but I sure love it. So this was December's one. The package showed up in January, but this was December's card, and really, really pretty. Coordinating envelope, all heat embossed. Like, love. How's that one? And then this January one is extra special here. I haven't opened it, but I read your letter and it was very sweet. Oh wow, look at this. These are all individually adhered little like Prima flowers. Isn't that gorgeous? Will you be my Valentine? Isn't that gorgeous? That's just beautiful. And the envelope, like just the way it's presented and everything. Gorgeous. Thank you so much for that. And then we have this super cute one from Susie, and I kept the envelope it came in. He said, there was no spark between us anymore, so I tasered him. I'll ask him again when he wakes up. Oh dear. You guys crack me up with some of this stuff. I like the sense, like, well, a lot of us have a very similar sense of humor. So, okay, I'll set that letter aside in this nice red envelope. And this is, of course, this fabulous one of the Simon Says picture book characters, the polar bear picture book character. I love that you added a little heart to him. That's so cute. And then it's on an action wobble. I could sit here and just do this forever. So cute. Thank you. Thank you. Love that one. And then last but certainly not least, we have this one from Ija in Finland. I get a kick out of these ones. Cute. So cute. So yeah, and fun little hearts. So thank you all so much. These cards are so much fun, and like, you know, extra little snarky sentiments and whatnot, and just, yeah, the work that goes into things like this just blows my mind. You guys are awesome. Oh, and another thing I want to mention, that too. A lot of people, I get a lot of comments about that and messages about people feeling too intimidated to send in cards, and don't feel intimidated at all. Everyone in this my little corner of the interwebs is awesome and super supportive, and everyone has to start somewhere. You know, not everyone is been card making, you know, like me for 15 years and whatever. Like, you all got to start somewhere, and we see all levels, if you want to call it that, of card making. And I just like to show off what you guys are making. It's not a contest about like, oh, who makes the nicest card, or, you know, who sends me the most, or anything like that. Like, that's why I also say I don't sort of like, gifts are not necessary, anything like that. Like, I just show what shows up, you know, whether it was sent for the Happy Mail or whether people are just sending me cards or whatever. I just like to show what you guys are making. it's kind of nice to see. And I know a lot of people kind of get a kick out of being able to see their cards online and whatnot. So that's why this was all started, and I'm going to keep doing it. And I just love what it is you all are creating. So like I said, there will be like a link below to my blog and to the Happy Mail post. There'll be the themes and whatnot. You guys can also suggest things if you would like. Always, always, always leave comments below the video. Leave comments on the blog post. I share this on Facebook and my social media. Like, leave comments for all these people that have sent cards if you have questions for them about, like, where did you get this, or how did you do this, and da-da-da-da-da. Always leave that below so that they can see it. That's kind of the best part of this, is them seeing what, you know, you all are saying, etc. So please, you know, leave them some love, because, you know, we all know how much time and effort it takes to make a card and then to send it, and yeah. So that's it for me for the moment. I will be back soon with another video. Thank you all so much, and thank you all for watching, and I will see you all very soon in another video. Bye.